Once upon a time, there lived a mother duck. She was excited. Her 5 eggs were finally going to hatch. She watched and counted as one by one the eggs hatched. 1 duckling, 2 ducklings, 3, 4, 5 ducklings, she said happily. Suddenly she noticed that there was one more egg. It was bigger and whiter than the rest. This cannot be my egg, she thought. Slowly the big egg began to crack and a strange-looking duckling came out. Mother Duck was surprised. The youngest duckling was grey and bigger than the rest. How ugly this little one is, she thought. As the days went by, the ducklings began to grow. But the youngest duckling looked different from the rest. Everybody looked at him and said, "There goes the ugly duckling." His brothers and sisters teased him all the time. The ugly duckling felt very bad. Whenever people laughed at him, he used to run away and hide behind the reeds near the lake. "Nobody loves me," he sobbed. One day, the duckling decided to run away from home. He swam and on the way he had many adventures.